A simple box shape is created with extruded base, and if you want to change some of those features, that in this case that the extrude feature, and I could have my mouse move to this name here, the base extrude one, because that's created first. Right click on it and choose the first option right here, that's edit feature. Then you could click on it. Then you have some options. For example, if you want to change your extrude distance at this moment, it was set up as a 30 millimeters for the extrusion distance, and I could change that to 15 millimeters, or I could have even go to another distance that the tool down here. So that's how you change it. And also you could click on this down arrow, then you have sketch tool. So if you want to have modify your sketch, click on here, and then you could go to the sketch mode, sketch, and then I will see that normal view to this. Then in the case, I could change some of the dimensions, and instead of 125, I may use maybe the 100, and then it will change some of the geometric shape, and you could fix some of those mistakes that you made while you're creating the 3D objects. And again, you go to right click on the, in this case, first part is boss extrude one, right click and edit feature. And those are kind of the options, so that if you have the different the object that created with the any other the revolved, swept and lofted features, and still you could change some of the properties by clicking on that name.